Hey family members, welcome back to my video. Today's video we are going to be making banana bread. Please stay with us and don't go anywhere. Welcome back, guys. So the first major ingredient that we have here is our bananas. I know you'll probably be wondering why we have so much banana. I'll throw more light on why we have so much bananas. So next up is our melted butter. You can choose to use vegetable oil if that's what you have. Then we have our egg and our baking powder and our flour and also our milk, then our sugar, and the last but not the least, it's our vanilla extract. So here, these are my pans that I will be using, and everything is just readily available. So guys, can you see all the ingredients? Let's get into the main course of the day. The first thing to do is to match up your bananas in a bowl. You can choose to match it separately and then pour it inside the bowl. That is if you have the strength of using too many equipment that you will end up cleaning later. Okay guys, so match up your bananas very well. Please apply patience while doing this. If you are going to be doing this kind of plenty bananas that I'm using, you can choose to use fork, spoon, or wicks. Either ways, anyone is preferable. Whichever one that you have or whichever one that you are comfortable with. So here I'm just using my fork first to match them together before using my wicks to bind it up properly. I know you'll probably be wondering, why am I using too many banana? That's because I need this plenty banana. Firstly, because I want my banana bread to be much, and secondly, the bananas are too small, so I had to use a lot of it so that it can go with what I want it to be. So I didn't use my mixer for this recipe so that it will be easy for those of us that doesn't have a mixer. So guys, I finished matching up my bananas, and then I went ahead to add my eggs, my sugar, and then just give the mixture a very good mix. Do well to check the description box to get all the detailed ingredients and measurement of this recipe. As I continue mixing this together to get a good texture and consistency, I went ahead to add my milk, my melted butter, and also continue mixing, and also my flavor, and give that a good mix. Mix it a little bit and then add my flour. If you have watched this video to this extent, it means we are on the right track. Please do well to like and also subscribe to this channel for amazing videos, and also turn on your notification button so that you will be seeing every video that I post. So back to our recipe. I continued mixing my mixture to be very fluffy and went ahead to add my baking powder, which is our last ingredient. If you check my previous video, which is my chin chin video that I made mention of always adding my baking powder last, and I gave my reasons for it. So do well to check that video. So my batter is ready now, and I will just go ahead and pour it into the baking pan. I shared my butter into two portions. As you can see, one is a plain butter and the other is a chocolate and plain butter, a mixed butter with some Oreos toppings, and while the other is just with banana toppings. So I'm going to bake this for just 40 minutes. So guys, this is my banana bread after baking for 45 minutes. We added extra 5 minutes. Can you see that? Can you see the glory of God on this banana? Chai, my family members, go and try this recipe and come back and thank me later. So yeah, this is where our video will be ending for today. Thanks for watching guys. See you on my next video. Bye. Mwah.